Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happenings today. Indeed, the narrative is changing, and definitely more voices are being heard. Ohaneze and Ndigbo, top sociocultural groups, and Igbo associates generally are beginning to blow hot. In fact, I just hope that right now the drama that is about to set will not change the whole of Southeast and the events going on right now. Before we go into the news report to find out the kind of stern warnings and what is about to happen in the nearest future, I would like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you'll see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, as we speak right now, a faction of Ohaneze and Ndigbo has issued a stern warning to people supporting the agitation for the independence of Biafra from overseas. The pro-Igbo socio-cultural organization described the support for Biafra from abroad as cowardice, especially while the economic and social activities of the people in the southeast are adversely affected. The group also threw a subtle shade at the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, that's Ipob, Nnamdi Kanu, who was based in the United Kingdom, that's UK, for some time until he was arrested and renditioned to Nigeria from Kenya in June 2021, and others based overseas. Many Biafran agitators are based overseas, including Simon Ekpa, an outspoken self-acclaimed disciple of Nnamdi Kanu who lives in Finland. This was contained in a statement issued on Sunday by Okechukwu Iziguzoro, the Secretary General of the group. The group stated that it has observed that there are some sort of persons fanning the embers of violence in the region while hiding in their comfort zones in Europe and America. It described this act as an act. It described this as an act of cowardice, saying they should come to Nigeria, where they can take the lead in the Biafran agitations. Ohaneze noted that an end had come for people in such a category. The statement reads in part, and I quote, "We warn that the era of Biafra agitators residing in Europe, Asia, and America giving directives to Igbos have ended. They should relocate to Nigeria to physically lead the struggle, as it is an act of cowardice to hide in your comfort zone in Europe and America to lead Biafra agitation." The group also asked the indigenous people of Biafra to apologize for declaring a sit-at-home in southeastern Nigeria, which the pro-Biafran organization says has been hijacked by hoodlums who now enforce the exercise every Monday. Ohaneze said if the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, had not declared the sit-at-home in the first place, the violence and deep in the economic fortunes of the region occasioned by the exercise would never have happened. My God, this one is loaded. Now they're calling out all those getting super excited, staying in diaspora and insisting that this should be done or that should be done or something, whatever it is, let it happen. But right now, Ohaneze Ndigbo, he's shaking a very strong table. But then again, they have the right to shake the table. That's why they're the apex sociocultural group. A lot of people are beginning to comment. Right now, the social media, the internet is agog over the matter. Well, for a while now, we have a lot of people who stays abroad, give instructions, counter instructions, beginning to cause a lot of issues in Southeast. What I do know is that this issue of Ohaneze Ndigbo telling the indigenous people of Biafra to apologize. I don't know how they'll take this, but I do know one thing, that Ima Powerful may likely respond to this request. A lot of people have started reacting on social media. We're going to take one or two comments very quickly and we'll look at this analytically, how visible is it that the indigenous people of Biafra will apologize for what they are doing? And the fact that Simon Ekpa will be coming to Nigeria, or they're instructing some the likes of Simon Ekpa and the rest, to come down to Nigeria and lead and stop hiding under the comfort of Finland or those who are in Europe, in UK, United Kingdom, America, North Korea, Asia, wherever you are agitating for Biafra. They say you should come home, come down to Nigeria, as how it is, and so that you can physically lead, just as David led in his days when he was a king. Okay, quick one before we look at this analytically. This one here is saying De Easy Guzoro. Okay, for those who don't understand De is like maybe senior bros or something, or elder or something, but it's kind of sign of respect. Okay, let's continue with what she's saying. Say De Easy Guzoro. Please, I'm only asking. Can you just give us your house address so that we can come and apologize to you in your house? Hey, this is no, 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 this does not sound good. House address. He's not saying you should come and apologize to him in his house. He's only saying apologize publicly, that through a press release and maybe retract or something. He did not say she find him out. Come on, please. This is an era of UGM. One have to be very careful. Easy Gorozoro, and I'm sure he meant well. If you check the number of fractions that is going on, directives are just flying left, right, and center. And if everybody to obey all those directives, Southeast is going to be in a mess. If this one says sit at home, the other person say don't sit. This one say okay, Monday from Saturday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's 1 week sit at home. The other person say don't sit. Only days of mass Nnamdi Kanu. Some enforce, some others will say will enforce. When crime, some people can use the opportunity of that confusion or that mistrust or disunity to begin to perpetrate crimes that will heinous ones that will make even the Southeasterners to cry. Where darkness thrive, where evil thrive, definitely you find darkness there. Where you allow chaos and disunity, you can't find love. And if you don't find love, there may likely not be progress, because security needs to be top notch. Now, some persons ESN was created, it's a security network. Ibubaka security network was also created, all trying to serve the same purpose. Now they seem to clash from time to time. They said, okay, ESN was illegally created. It's not a product of the federal government, the state government, which to a large extent is very true. But then it was created as a matter of necessity, or as a case of necessity to protect the people in Southeast. Then ESN, a Black Security Network, was not available. Now, with this issue of power tussle, who is ruling the government, the governors of the state want to stamp their ground that they are in charge, with the movement now having fractions here and there. Come on. It does not need rocket science to say that things are not just right. And if they don't, harness and find a way of staying together in one piece and find a way of sorting this problem internally once and for all, I don't know what Southeast will look like in the next coming months. That's what we're going to wrap it up. You may have a contra review. Please, no hate words. Let's meet in our comment section. Please also take. Do have